Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation RV Shop. Review tayo ng unit ni Sir Paul Jeffrey. Shoutout po kay Sir Paul Jeffrey. This is your unit, sir, the High Kappa Pit Viper. John Wick 4. Okay, this is a Pit Viper. It comes with the hard case. Okay, by Double Bell. Buksan na natin. Ayan, this is the unit. And it comes with the Continental card, John Wick card. Also comes with the gold coin. It also comes with the extra loading nozzle and the cleaning rod. Okay. And that's the John Wick 4 Pit Viper. Okay, by Double Bell. Okay, this is the unit. So, ayan, naka-Magwell 30 rounder capacity magazine. Serrations on rear. Serrations on front. Naka-fiber optic sight na rin siya. Okay. Ayan, accessory rail for flashlights. You can install flashlights. Okay, naka-skeletonize na rin yung hammer, yung trigger. Skeletonize na rin yung hammer. Ayan. And it comes with the beaver tail features, manual safety. Okay. So, ayan, yung unit ni Sir Paul Jeffrey. And it comes with the free gas na siya. Number 12. Standard power gas. And it also comes with the 0.23 grams 4,000 shots na BBs. Okay, so kung kayo ay mag-avail sa amin guys, dito sa aming shop, sa 5th Generation Hobby Shop, it comes with the free BBs na and gas. And this one is 6,850. All in na siya. Free shipping, free gas, free BBs. Okay, 6,850 only. Okay, so ngayon, check natin yung kakargaan natin ng gas. Okay. Check natin yung gas, sir, kung nagkakarga. Okay, inverted position. Press. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, iwasan nyo po yung jerking, no? Yung diin ng diin para maiwasan natin na tumalsik yung o-ring dito sa valve. Yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, mayroong o-ring yan na maliit din sa valve. So, pag tumalsik yan, hindi mo na makakargahan. So, iwasan natin na jerking yung diin ng diin. Okay? So, nagkakarga naman yung gas. Okay? May laman na siyang gas. Okay, ngayon, lagyan natin ng BBs para ma-chronograph test natin. Lagyan lang natin ng 3 para sa chronograph test. Or 4. Okay. So, now, try natin i-chronograph test yung unit. Kung ilang APS. Okay. Okay, chronograph test tayo. 4 shots. Okay. Firing. 308. Okay, 308 EPS. So, let's do some shots again. Okay, 307 EPS. .300 EPS. Okay, 297 APS. Okay, so yun yung APS ni John Wick 4 by Double Bell. Okay, open slide na siya. Nag-open slide. So, ang gawin nyo siya, pag nag-open slide, ang gawin nyo, etong slide, forward nyo muna ng konti. Ayan, forward nyo, then press down this one, then tsaka release. Okay. So, ayan. So, ngayon, mag-rapid testing tayo. Test natin siya sa plate. Okay, rapid fire testing. John Wick 4, Pit Viper. Ito po yung unit ni Sir Paul Jeffrey. Okay, by Double Bell. It's the John Wick 4 Pit Viper. Ayan. Okay. Testing. Okay. Firing. Okay, open slide. Ayan, nag-open slide na siya. So, wala nang bala. Open chamber. Release the magazine. Press down the slide, stop slide, release. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Paul Jeffrey, okay na po ang inyong unit for shipping na. Okay, ipapack na namin siya for shipping. Okay? So, again, sa mga gusto mag-avail, this is John Wick 4 or Pit Viper by Double Bell. It comes with free gas and free BBs and free shipping. And this is 6,850 only. Okay? So, just message us kung gusto nyo mag-avail. Okay? Sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Meron din kami mga videos sa YouTube. YouTube channel namin is 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Okay, yun lang po. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.